Hey people, what is up? How are you guys doing? Welcome to another Qpython 3 tutorial. Now in this video I'm going to be talking to you guys about lambda functions and normal functions. So basically what we're going to be doing here today is that I'm going to be showing you guys how to merge both functions and use them side by side together in writing programs. So basically let's start with a simple function. So you define a simple function and let's just call this func, or let's just call this my func, whatever we want. Let's just give it something random and let's parse in an argument. Yep, that's it. Now to merge a lambda function and a function, you can simply use the return statement and lambda. So what we can do here is that we can say return and then use lambda. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Now since we're dealing with lambda, you know how lambda functions are created. You can just say something like x, add your colon, and then add whatever you want to add. So let's say something like a times n. Yep, or x times n rather. So basically what this function is going to do is that it's going to take whatever you parse in this parameter and then it's going to multiply it by this x. So that's it for this side. So let's move on to the next line. Now since we've created a lambda function right here, you can also create a lambda function again underneath. So let's say something like multiply and then add an equal to sign and then say my function. Now to see the real strength of a lambda function, it's used inside a function. So basically what this function is going to do, that is going to create a lambda function inside of it, and then it's going to use this lambda function to multiply numbers for us. So let's parse in the argument we put the first time. Let's just give it something like 2. Yeah, and that's it. So now we can print out a lambda function by saying print out multiply and then use our argument. Let's say something like 4. Yeah, let's close this up. So let me explain this for you guys. I know it gets a bit confusing, but let me just break it down for you guys. Now what this does is that since I created a function using the define statement or define keyword with name my func, it has an argument n. Now this argument is what is down here, and x, which is the lambda function which was created here, is going to be used to multiply this n that is above. So what this is going to do is that it's going to use this variable called multiply and create a lambda function with it. So since this has a lambda function inside, this automatically becomes a lambda function. And since lambda functions are created with variables, you can now print out your lambda function using just one parameter and then the variable name. So let me save this and run it. Let's see how it goes. Yep, it gives me 8. So our code works very fine. This is a very good way you can use lambda functions alongside with normal functions. Now this process, I call it merging of functions, but it's not that common. You can find it very useful when you're writing programs and you just want to make things as quick as possible. This is a very good way to do it. So that'll be all for this video, guys. I hope you leave your likes, subscribe, and also comment. And for my winner of this spot tutorial, I think I'll go for, let's give a round of applause to JC Galloway. I don't know if I spelled the name correctly, but forgive me if I get it wrongly, but I think the person knows herself or himself. JC Galloway, you're the best. So basically that's all for this video, guys. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time.